Hello friends, welcome to Investation. This presentation is all about CDS account opening. So what is CDS? Central Depository System. If you go into definition, those days if you purchase a shares of a particular company, the company used to provide a physical document. So in that document, you can see your name, company name, quantity of shares, the price of the shares, all the details are mentioned here. So if you want to liquidate that particular share, you need to submit the physical document. So you just can't come and liquidate those shares. Because that certificate is mandatory to liquidate the shares. So when the days pass on, these physical documents are converted to digital term. So where you no need to submit or carry this physical document, and no more company will issue those kind of physical documents. So each and every share transaction or share purchase and the selling, everything routed through a digital term account, like savings account, current account. Normally what we do in the bank, like withdrawal and deposit, likewise you have been given an account which named CDS account. So once it's created, you can do all your you don't need to have multiple CDS account. You can have one CDS account to have multiple shares in one in that one account. So today, like, we are going to see how to open the CDS account. Initially, you need to choose your broker, because there are several brokers registered under Colombo Stock Exchange. So you need to find one broker, and from that broker you can open this account. So I'll show you how to open this account basically. So in the first one is choose your broker. So if you don't know who are the brokers available or exist in the market, exist in Sri Lanka, you can find out from the Colombo Stock Exchange website. So I'll show you how to get it. So you need to go to the website. It's www.csc.lk. In the website, you can see the member firms. So if you go to member firms and press members, in the members you will find out all the listed or all the registered brokers here, like Bartlett, Religia Securities, Equity Stockbrokers, John Keys, Asha Securities, Asset Line Securities, Saman Stock Brokers, JB Securities, Lanka Securities, Asia Securities, Capital Trust Securities, IC Securities, CLSA Securities, First Capital Equities, NDB Securities. So you can find, or you can choose one of these securities and call them. If you're okay, or if you know these brokers previously, you can refer or you can call them and get the documentation and everything done. I will show you how to get it done. And there is no different benefits. Like if you don't know how to choose a broker, you need to call each and every broker. This is just a suggestion to you. You need to call each and every broker and find out what the service they are providing. So that in that service only you can find out how these brokers are differentiating. So I cannot suggest any broker over here. You need to find out your own broker. So call each and every broker and just have a small inquiry on related services. So based on that, you can find out who is the best broker for you. And second one is documentation, account opening, online sign up. So in order to open the account, as usual, if you want to open a savings account, you need to choose the bank. And once you choose the bank, you need to have a sort of documentation to give the basic details and sign up. Likewise, here also there are so many documentation. So first the account opening, normal account opening documentation, and second one is online sign up. So these two area is very mandatory. Once you signed up, you're done to the next one is account opening deposit. So you can think like what will be the account opening initial deposit to open a CDS account. So normally if you go to bank, they will ask, okay, to open a normal savings account, they will ask you 1000 rupees, 1500, 2000. Likewise, there is an initial deposit. So you will think, okay, what will be the CDS account? Since it's a stock market investment account, they might be charging, or they might want to deposit more and more than savings account. It's not like that. There are several companies, they give on zero initial deposits, and like it's a free of charge account opening process. So there might be some companies, they will ask you like deposit some certain amount, but don't worry, there won't be any charges for that. It will directly deposit your investment account. Anyway, you need to deposit some sort of a fund to the account to begin the trading. So that's up to you. You can open zero and you can deposit later, or you can because this account opening normally it won't take that much of time. So if all the documentation are in order, they can able to get you the account opening done within the day. Okay, that's account opening deposit, so you don't worry about the deposit. It's not that much of expensive. You can open in a few basis. And funding, yes, once it's open, you cannot begin trading without the funds in the account. So you need to deposit. So how to deposit my funds to the CDS account? So basically, the companies, what they do is they have a collection account under their company name. So you need to submit or you need to deposit whatever the amount. So for example, we'll say you want to deposit 10,000 to your CDS account. So what you have to do is you need to deposit to your to their company collection account. They might be having in one of these local banks. So you need to get the account details from them. So we assume like, okay, these ABC stock brokers, they have an account at Sampat Bank. So they will provide you the Sampat Bank collection account. You need to go and deposit whatever the funds you want, 10,000 to that account. You need to mention your NIC number as the narration. So you can ask the company what the narration I want to mention. So this company to company, they might be having several like different process. So prior to do that, you need to get the clear information from the particular company and do accordingly. So once it's done, you need to inform them and they will fund your CDS account or your trading account with that cash. Basically, they will fund your trading account, not the CDS account, trading account. And from the trading account, you need to open the trades. Okay, and the next one, login online platform. So initially you have signed up for online sign up. To make you more clear on this online working, if you take all the days, normally what how we do trade is, you cannot do online trading. You need to go through each and every transaction through your broker. So if you want to buy or sell a particular share, you need to call your broker and tell, hey Mr. A, I want to buy X number of shares of this company. So okay, once you ordered him, we need to check whether we can able to buy that share. So if anything available in the market, he will buy, and he will do manual transactions, manual recordings to your CDS account or your books later once they close the tradings on the particular day. Later, all those transactions have been transferred to digital term. So where you need to log into your online system and you need to do the trades on your own. Yes, of course, you can call your broker and get the opinion what you have to do and what you not to do. So all these instruction advices you can take from our broker, and also you can still go ahead with broker and do the transactions, but you are freely allowed to do the buying and selling on your own, like online payments what you do through these e-commerce websites. And also, for example, if you buy something from eBay or Alibaba or wherever, likewise you can do your own transactions over here. So I will show you how this online trading platform look like. So it's like this. So this is basically a LOLC trading platform, you need to go to LOLC. Like basically, this is my account I'm going to show. To find out these platforms, you need to log into their particular website. In the website, in the right corner or left corner, you will find out these links, online login links. So once you press the link, you will direct to this page. Basically, this A-Trade is the platform for all the stock broker firm in Sri Lanka. That's the automated trade system available for trading in the Colombo Stock Exchange. So you will get the username and password from the broker. Once you receive, you need to write your username and your password here and submit. Login. So once you logged in, you will see the interface like this. So this is the trading platform. You can see all the trading stock market details over here, and you can see here the market is closed right now, and this is your username. Logged out, CSC, these are the information area. You will get the notifications and all the details are here. So this is, I'm not going to go through all these details. I will take a separate episode for this and explain you how this everything works. And you have options here to choose and see like who are the top 10 gainers for the particular days, and sector wise you have all the sectors here. So if you choose the banks, you can see all the banks, and changes are here, percentages wise, and volume, turnover, all the details are over here. So this is online trading platform. So you can simply, this is the Nation Trust Bank shares, and if you right click, you can see all the buy, sell, statistics, everything, all the details are here. So this is how online platforms looks like. Okay, so that's online login platform. And next, account statement. So likewise, like normal savings account, current account, what you have in the bank, you will receive monthly statements. So here also you will get the monthly statements via email. Basically, you will get registered post if you want to, but in these days no one is like to get a physical document. All are paperless. So you must sign into the e-statement also. That document also they will take during the account opening. So once it's signed, your account statement will be emailed to your address on the month end. So I will show you how this statement looks like. So basically, this is the account statement. So if you take this statement, this is the First Guardian Equities Private Limited statement. So this statement format is basically a same format for every brokers, because this statement is issued by Central Depository. So this is a unique document. In this area, you will find your name and your address. Okay, and here the broker's details, account number. You will get a account number here. So basically, it starts from, since it's First Guardian, FCE, likewise LOLC, LCL, I guess. Likewise, you will get the number, similar number under your CDS account. And this is a statement of account, the period. So this is April 2020. And here the statement, you can see date, particulars, debits, credits, price, balance. So equity, securities, which means you will, all your shares are listed down here. So for example, we'll see you have JKH, you have LOLC, Access Engineering, Abans, HNB, Commercial, NTB, all these securities. So all the securities are listed under this one statement. You don't want to get all like separate statements for each securities. All the securities are listed down here, and you will find out what the debits, what the credits, what is the price for that particular transaction, and the balance. So you will find out all the statement, all the details for that particular month in this document. So this is how the account statement looks like. And final one is the list of accounts. So basically, you must have to sign this type of documents list: CDS1, CDS1A, 1A2, contract not email, financial trust and client agreement, credit extension, online trading agreement, online trading application, FCE information, signature card, checklist, resident. So these details I have received from First Capital Equities. So likewise you will get the similar from the other brokers as well.